My old Ford 5000 tractor, it's got a flat tire, and it's been flat for a while. I haven't been able to use it, so I've been kind of sad. Well, I finally figured out how to fix it, and so I wanted to do a quick video and kind of show you what happened with my experience. So we'll start from the beginning. Tire was low. I put some air in it and noticed that it was leaking. The valve stem was leaking, and it looked like it was leaking out of the core of the valve stem. So I thought, all right, that's an easy fix. I'll just remove the valve stem core and replace it. And this tire's got water in it, it's ballast. So I figured, I could just do it real quick before all the water squirted out, leaked out. So I went and got a valve stem remover. I couldn't really see down in there. I couldn't really see what kind of valve stem, what the core looked like or anything, but I just assumed that kind of they were all the same. I hadn't really dealt with any different types of valve stems. Now, the valve stem I'm the most familiar with is the Schrader valve, or the American valve. That's the valve that's used on most vehicles, and that's what I was expecting to be inside that valve stem, was that little valve that's got the square end, and you use the little tool to remove it. So the first problem I had was I couldn't really see up inside the valve stem to see what kind of core it had in it. But I got this app that I've been using to look at coins with, and it's like a magnifier, and it's got a light on it. So I was able to shine that up in there, and I was able to see that the inside of that valve was not that Schrader valve like I was expecting. This one doesn't have the removable valve core. The valve stem actually unscrews basically in two, and so you can fill it up with water. And this is a tractor tire type valve, which I feel silly for not figuring this out sooner. Now it looks like all I have to do is just take that, unscrew that valve and replace it, and we should be back in business. The valve that's supposed to fix this is a Slime brand, and it's a heavy duty tractor tire valve. So they're supposed to have them at Tractor Supply. I'm going to go up there, and if they don't have them, I'll have to order one, but I could be back in operation before it gets dark tonight. I got the part that I needed. It's called a Slime core housing, and they're air liquid type core housings for a tractor. So I should be able to just unscrew the old one and then screw this new one in. Should just screw in like that, and then this cap comes off. And but anyway, being able to take this out allows you to put water in the tire. So I'm going to try to do this real quick without losing too much water. Well, I'm just going to use these pliers to loosen this up a little bit. I loosened it up earlier, but then I tightened it back up. Tightened it up to try to make sure I didn't lose too much water. This is the old one. And here we go with the new one. There we go. No more leak. Just snug it up a little bit with the pliers, and now I just got to fill them up with air and we should be ready to go. So that was pretty quick and easy fix. Didn't have to take the tire off or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and put some air in here and make sure it holds and everything. I may end up having to put some more water in. You do want to have, about the same amount of water in each side. Make sure everything's balanced. But I don't think we lost too much water, so hopefully won't have to put too much more in there. Besides water, these tires also have antifreeze in them, so you want to be careful with that, obviously, with spilling it, and you don't want to get it, in your mouth and drink it accidentally or something like that. So it seems like it's holding air. Woohoo! Main thing was just figuring out what kind of valve stem we needed, and then it was a simple fix after that. So now that I know that there's more than one kind of valve stem and kind of what some of the differences are, I'll know next time where to start, and I'll get this job done a little bit faster. But at least we got it done and we're ready to get back out on the tractor. Thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless.